How to pin chats on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can pin your chats on Instagram. So if you are also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to pin chats on Instagram. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram and log in into your account. And once you're logged in into your account, you can directly head over to the chat section by tapping on the DM icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you reach over here, you will be taken to the space with all of the messages available on your screen. So in order to pin a chat, what you're going to do is simply long press on the chat that you want to pin. And when you long press on it, you will be finding this option called pin here. So you can just go ahead and tap on this pin option, and there you go, the pin has been given to that particular chat. So that is how you pin someone on Instagram very easily, which is a super easy method. So that is how you could do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.